Oh yeah. Oh. There we go. I do. Yeah, a bit better. Just got to do the van now.
Honestly.
What, they glued it? Oh look, sabotage, they've glued the f***ing lock. They've glued the lock so we
Not
can't
like we were
drive
going to
down
use
the
it though,
land.
we weren't going to use it.
Nah, Kev knew it was glued.
This is what I want about if you had to get emergency services down there. Do you know what I mean?
Break it, Kev, just smash it off. We're going to drive the motor down there and dump loads of DD down the land. Because we've got a plan, master plan. This is the land, still boggy, not good. You just missed it. The one time I weren't recording coming through the gate, there was 2 swans just here and 2 big ducks. What were them other things? They were ducks, weren't they?
Geese.
Were they geese? No, what, swans and what? Was it geese? Geese? Yeah. Let's go get some Yeah, I got it. I think that's fine.
You can't do
They
that.
do it in India, mate. That's nothing.
Just saying, like, you've got to come up twice anyway. You can't do 5.
Yeah. Put that one back then.
No, I'm carrying
You don't
that
need to carry one.
Oh, thank you.
Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Don't rip the bags, we reuse them. Whew. Nice. Here we go. Last barra.
Oh, this is a big one as well.
That's a beast. You gonna get it on your shoulder?
Yeah.
I'll either just pull the pube out or I've got a tick or something. Oh, he's up. Lemon squeeze up. Where's the boss? Go on, you go, I'll catch you up.
Put me out on.
Oh, watch out for them worms at the bottom. Don't know, you've done that, Kev. Walked to gets me up with a barrow. Nice. These worms.
The bloods are gone.
Nature's gonna love them.
And still fat.
Yeah, it does look fresh, like I say. I think you better cut that shit. Look at it. It's a bog pit. It's got lower and lower. It's not fresh. Oh mate, look where we were sitting, Rich. Leave shit behind, isn't it? Oh, it stinks. What is that? Why is that so dirty? What you got the firearms out for?
Done.
Huh?
Oh, yeah,
we got
we're
these out. We're going shooting.
Oh, I've shown how powerful this is. This one. Cool. And I've got the other one fixed. Have you seen the other one? Mate?
Yeah, let's have a look. Is it legal?
Well,
Nice. Oh, look at the pattern.
yeah.
Is there a pattern?
Yeah, and it's that. That's the name of it.
Stoga. Stoga. A bit of rust though, mate. Don't like
Yeah,
that.
it's old site.
Yeah. It's nice though.
That one's nice, Max.
Yeah, I like this. What, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do like this one with the tape. This is cool. Don't like the sticker on it though. Do not attempt to disable. Disassemble.
So I'm going to spray them up. So they look like brand new. Tape all this wood up. Yeah, wrap all that and then spray this. I've got undercoat spray and top spray. Come on.
It's plastic, that one, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the airsoft one.
Oh, of course it is. Distance. Take your pick. Shut it.
Don't even look at it. Don't even look
Just
at
go with the flow.
Don't even look at it. Look where I've done it. The first stroke I made.
This is going to be a fingerboard. What are you spraying?
Jack.
That. No.
Jack. Look in that bag.
Manure. Is that more horse?
Yep.
There's an opening up underneath. Yeah, catchy scent.
You're over it, yeah?
Yeah. That's going to look right
Hopefully,
eventually.
you get out of this.
You will. I'm going to take some pictures for some listings. What are you doing, Kev? What are you spraying? What colour are you spraying it?
Black.
Oh, yeah.
Things have run out there.
Can you hear the journey? It is quite loud. Nah, that's not too bad. Going for it. Don't rush, don't let it drip. What are you trying to do? Can we hold it?
No, don't stand it up.
Mate, I ain't going to stand there. What's going on?
Look over there, he's just f***ing obliterated all over.
Oh.
Look,
All over
moaning. Get taller. Get the
No, but
compressor
you
out.
do it every time and you know you do.
Get the compressor out there.
Go down this end.
Give me the compressor. Give me the compressor. So I can clean it.
No,
Like,
you're f***ing blowing it all over.
Fucking blowy, Mr. Murray. The thing, boy! Ooh, look at that nice, clean motor. Compared to this dirty old thing, but it looks clean now, look. That's what mine was like. Ben. No one's cleaning their motors like me. I just dropped me off and thought I'd have a little look at your freaking creation. My new bungalow. Here he is. You're not doing it with him. Look at my van compared to yours now. Look, I've had it twice. I had to clean it, Ben. Luckily, there is a lot of wood in there. Like Kev, I think it was Kev that said it. It's probably going to be majority wood. Obviously, we've got the metal spring type things. And yeah, let's see what happens. Get it turned into as many smaller pieces as I can to get it in the van. The clean van, now I had. Yeah. Work zone, Audi special. This Glenn, this GG. I remember that from working with you back in the day. RIP. Cut these off. I probably could just go through it with a hammer, smash these out. First, but I've got to use a sharp one. That's going to take. Right, I don't know, I'm getting there.